So now let's work around with the text options inside of Spark Page. So web pages can have different sort of text right here. So it gives you a lot of options to work around with text. So let's say, for example, right here in the previous lesson as well, I used H1, which stands for heading 1 and is the largest heading size for a web page. So over here, let's say I want to add in a subheading. I can click plus. I'm going to use text. And over here, I'm going to use this as H2, right? So this is going to be subheading. It's smaller than the main heading, but it's a subheading, as you can see. And I can center align this as well. So over here, the third one, so this is going to be a semicolon. That is the paragraph. So I'm going to go over here. So this is the default. Okay, semicolon is like something for comments right here. Another option for text is bullet points. So I'm going to say point 1, point 2, and point 3, just like this. So I can just add in content just like that. I can select this out, select the text, and you can see that I can go for bullet points. So that's point 1. I can go over here. That's bullet point, and that's the text point. So I'm just going to turn everything into bullet points right here, and everything aligns as it is, as you can see right here. So let's say I got the point, press enter. I want to give it a heading, for example, so I can select this out, and I can go over here and select this out as heading 2, just like this. So it actually ranges everything out. That's quite nice. I'm going to press enter, and let's say this is going to be step 1, and I want a number over here. So I'm going to press enter. I'm going to add in steps as a heading right here, so steps, and I'm going to use this as a heading 2 as steps, step 1, step 2, step 3. So if I want to add in numbers, I can actually go over here and I can change this into a number format, just like this, and everything changes, as you can see right here. So you can easily create the formatting, as you can see. I can also center align each and every one of this. So you cannot actually center align these, but you can center align the headings, just like this. All right, there you go. So quite easy, as you can see right here. Another option you get is you can also bold this out as well. So let's say, for example, you select this point 3. You cannot actually bold out the headings, but you can go over here. You're going to bold this out, italicize it, and even hyperlink, which you're going to see in further lessons, just like this. You want to remove the point, you just click this, and it becomes a normal text. But if I were to click this, it becomes a point text right here. So you can see that I can actually keep in a heading, can have in subheadings, comments, and so forth, just like that. So I can italicize and with everything. And this is the format painter. You can customize the theme as well, which is available upon your upgrading of the account. So these are the options you get to edit text in Adobe Spark Page. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.